Hey everyone, welcome back to Kettle Ranch. I'm Steve. Today we are going to talk about using the box scraper to remove snow. A very handy device, and let's get right into it. Here we go. I have a small box scraper hooked up behind our small little utility tractor. This box scraper is normally used for leveling ground and moving dirt around. You can also rip with it. You see the scarifer teeth are in the up position right now. I'm not going to use those for moving snow. In fact, if they caught into the ice, I wouldn't move at all because we don't have the horsepower to do it. Of course, the dogs have to come in and check on me. Drop, come here. You always have to know what's going on. Good boy. All right, the reason why I like this box scraper to use this in the snow is when I want to move snow and get it away from an area completely. I don't want a berm. This is the entrance to our round pen. I don't want a big berm of snow on either side of it. I want to have a nice clean cut. You're limited with how much snow you can move at any given time, but you can move it completely out of the way, and in some cases it'll stick to the box scraper and you take it over where you want to dump it, and you can actually just dump it right out by shaking the box scraper. Let's give it a shot, see how we do. So that opens up a nice clean path. You can see it has vertical sides on the pathway it made. And it's taken all the snow away from this area, which comes in handy because when we get the melt in the springtime, I want as little melt water coming down here into the round pen as possible. Okay, as you can see, I built up a lot of snow. I pulled a lot of snow out of the way. Now we gotta get rid of it. All I'm going to do is raise the box scraper. Just like that. Give it a shake or two, and drive right out. So that's a lot of snow pulled out of the way. It'll melt down here towards the river and run off, not be up near any structures, any walkways, housing, anything like that where the water could damage it or where you don't want the snow to build up. Definitely a good tool to use in the wintertime. Well, this is a quick one, just showing the box scraper in use for snow. If you like our stuff, please hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit the like button too. That sure helps. We'll have more stuff coming up from Kettle Ranch. Hope you're all staying safe and healthy. Take care.